If you're looking for new innovative security and business solutions, 3xLOGIC really has you covered. We're an ecosystem of cutting-edge, data-driven security and business intelligence solutions that works for any business, from one location to hundreds. It's designed to give you control anywhere, anytime. Our security solutions are tailored for your needs, whether it's in the cloud or on premises, for easier, more efficient, more powerful security management. 3xLOGIC delivers something extra. It's information and analytics that empower organizations to unleash their potential and deliver powerful insights to drive operational efficiency. Let's see what some of our team has to say.
We're a people company and build on our values to ensure satisfied customers and long-lasting relationships.
We innovate for your future with continued research and development to ensure that you have the latest solutions available to you.
At 3xLOGIC, we deliver connected, scalable, and easy-to-use solutions beyond security. From one store to global operations with thousands of locations.
We make our product easy to install and maintain, and with our on-demand training program, training is made easy for you and your clients. Simply fill out the short form on our website and your dedicated regional sales advisor will contact you directly to discuss your needs and to take you through the onboarding.
Today, we'll give you access to some of our marketing material, including our ecosystem brochure, which provides insight into our entire portfolio of solutions. You'll also get access to our on-demand technical training so you can start getting familiar with our value.
We look forward to working with you soon, and welcome to the 3xLOGIC family.